Blue boy is demanding some attention. He came up in front of me and he sat, and when I didn't give him any attention, he got a little upset. There's green, lavender, yellow, and must be purple over there. They're all checking on the toy. Light green is off by himself, pulling on the rope. Light blue is playing in the potty box with a bone. I've got blue boy sitting in front of me patiently. What a good boy. Pink girl not being quite as patient. There, that's a good sit. And Miss Yellow is being really good here. Yeah. What a good girl. And green is still, light green is still over there chewing on the rope. Those guys are tearing apart a duck. A stuffed duck. These three are chewing on my fingers. There's green by himself on the bed. Oh, now they're all coming over here. They are all very, very people-oriented. Hey, don't eat my fingers though, guys. That's not nice. Not nice. I'm going to have to get up. I'm going to get up and walk away. Looks like light blue managed to get the stuffed duck. Green is playing with wood chips. Yellow is now going to join him.